Welcome to the Course Creation Guide. Today, we'll walk you through the steps of building your own course. When you're ready to start, head to the Courses section and click on Add New. Here, you'll name your course and write a brief description about what it covers to give learners a glimpse of what to expect. I've prepared an outline for my course, so I'll copy and paste the title, Recruitment Best Practices, and the overview here. This overview will be visible to anyone visiting the course page, giving them an idea of what to expect before enrolling. You can click on the plus icon to add videos, images, or anything else you think will enhance your course page. Now let's check out the draft by clicking Save Draft before we move on to build the course. Next, we'll go to the Course Builder page by selecting Builder in the tab here. We'll start structuring our course using sections and lessons. I'll start with a section called Introduction to Recruitment. Within this section, I'll add lessons like Overview of the Recruitment Process and Understanding the Role of a Recruiter. Sections are like containers for your lessons. You can add more sections to organize your course better. For example, I'll add a section titled Recruitment Planning and include more lessons in it. Great, now we have 2 sections and 4 lessons. With the drag and drop feature, you can easily rearrange lessons and sections to change their order. You can also add more details to each lesson by clicking on the drop-down arrow. Here, you can create topics to break down lessons into smaller parts or add quizzes to test learners' understanding. Both topics and quizzes are optional, but I will show you how those work as well. So I'm going to click on New Topic and add a topic to this section, let's say the recruitment process. And then I'll add a quiz by clicking on New Quiz and name it Lesson Check. You can also have quizzes for your topics by clicking the drop-down arrow to expand the topic section, and you can simply drag and drop the quiz into the topic. This quiz option can test the learners after they have finished the topic in the lesson, or you can drag and drop it back to the lesson section to set it as a quiz for the lesson instead. We have another feature for creating the final quiz. This will be the quiz for learners to take before they complete the course. You can create a final quiz for your course by clicking on New Quiz. And I'm going to give this quiz a title which will be Recruitment Best Practices Final Quiz. Finally, don't forget to save your draft before you close the Course Builder page. This is just the beginning of course creation. As you can see in this video, we've only been adding the titles to lessons, topics, and quizzes into the sections in the Course Builder. We'll cover how to edit and add other content into lessons and topics in another videos. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll explore the settings feature in the Course Builder